Hey Katie, what's happening?
I'm about to skydive from 14,000 feet, falling at 120 miles per hour. So.
Whoa! Whose idea was that?
Not mine.
Who'd you bring with you?
A bunch of interns from the summer, so
Oh wow,
fun.
awesome. We're going to 14,000 feet. That's over 2 miles above the ground and dropping at 120 miles an hour. Do you drive your Ferrari that fast?
If I had a Ferrari, I would not drive it that fast.
I would.
Oh, God.
What are you gonna do with 6,000 feet?
I'm gonna pull
You're gonna pull that parachute, right? Very
hopefully.
good.
Let's see.
How are you gonna know when we're 6,000 feet?
I got this.
You got a fancy altimeter right there. Nice.
Keep track of everything.
Very good.
So
What happens if you don't pull that parachute?
my guy will pull the
That's
parachute.
right. Leo's got your back.
He's got my back, so
Very good.
I'm nervous. So
You look really
can't
excited.
even-
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have a
It's
great
mess.
time. It's a beautiful day. Next time I talk to you, in the plane going up.
All right.
You ready for this?
Yes, I'm
Let's
ready.
have some fun, Katie.
Thank you.
Woo-hoo! Yeah, Katie, how was it?
Awesome.
Pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, come on, stand up.
Ugh.
You got
Thank
it.
you.
All right.
I don't know if we're unclipped.
You're unclipped.
Oh, my
All right,
God.
what was your favorite part?
I like the jump and the
Jumping out.
parachuting.
Yeah, wasn't that fun? Nice. How'd it feel when we were falling?
It was crazy. It was 100 degrees. I was like,
A
oh my
little
God.
intense, right?
Yeah, it was a
Very
lot.
good. Very nice. What'd you think of your fearless instructor, Leo, over here?
Awesome.
Nice. Yeah. Woo. We hope to see you again real soon, okay, Katie?
Thank
Thank you
you.
for skydiving here at Skydive Spaceland. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.